back to my channel. I'm really excited for today's vlog because we're finally painting the dollhouse bookshelf. I had mentioned something in a vlog about a month or two ago, probably 2 months ago now. We were doing our add-on and I was starting to envision my baby's nursery. I really wanted to do a dollhouse bookshelf and I wanted to try to DIY it, and so far it has been really easy. It has cost me $0 because I posted something on Facebook and a lady had a top of a desk for free that she wanted to give to me, and so I picked it up. It had been sitting in my garage, but I was waiting for when we moved into our new bedroom and started working on her nursery to really work on it. So I went to Hobby Lobby. I really wanted to get the scalloped trim to put on the outside of it for the house part, but they were out, and this is a project that I really needed to get done today because my baby shower is this weekend, and I just kind of wanted to have her nursery more together going into it so that when we bring all the stuff that I get for my baby shower, everything's a little bit more organized. So I don't know what you would call this, but anyways, it's gonna go near the top of the dollhouse bookshelf. I wanted to paint it, and we're just gonna paint it. I thought going neutral would be smart because I can use this in my kids' playroom years to come, and it's a neutral color, so I'll be able to use it for all of them instead of painting it like a pink, so I would have to repaint it again. So we're going with a beige color. I'm gonna make a coffee. I need to water my herb garden. We're going to enjoy the day together, and I'm just so excited. I've been waiting to be doing this project for, you guys know, really long. So it feels like everything is starting to come together. So today we are just gonna have really pretty outside. It's like 80 degrees, so I'm gonna enjoy being outside by painting and drinking coffee and just spending some time outside. So let's get to it. Because my baby shower is this weekend, I went into Home Goods to get a butterfly cookie cutter. I just wanted to use it for cookies, and also I am making cucumber sandwiches for my shower and I wanted them to be butterfly shaped, so I picked up a butterfly cookie cutter. But when I was in there, I also found these really pretty bowls that I just wanted to share with you guys. Me and Kyle eat so much like salad and a lot of pasta salad and like chicken in the spring and summer. We love to have a little bit of some al fresco and eat outside, and so I saw these bowl plates at Home Goods. They were $4.99, which is such a good deal, and the quality of these are just amazing. But they have like the little blue stripe around the edge, and then there is gingham with a blue hydrangea and like a green top. I love them. They're so cute. So I picked these up, $4.99 each. I thought that was a great price for like the quality of these bowls. I only got 2 just because it's me and Kyle, and I'm not gonna like use these for a play setting, but I thought these would be so cute for just like pasta salad and salad in general. Like that's the type of dishes that we're eating in the spring and summer, so I thought I would share those. But without further ado, let's get into making a coffee, watering my herb garden, and painting the bookshelf today. Here she is in all of her glory. I have to dust it off and wipe it down before I paint it, but this was an old desk top and I flipped it around. We cut off the top and Kyle put these boards literally on top, and I'm gonna paint it. And we have ourselves a dollhouse bookshelf. I personally think that it looks great and that it's gonna look so cute decorated after I paint it. And so I'm gonna paint it a beige color, and I'll bring you guys back when I'm done to show you the final look.